So you ever have one of those mornings where you're running super late, you don't have a lot of time for your makeup? That day is today for me. So I already have a very light layer of foundation on. I have my brows on. I'm gonna dip into my Violet Voss PRO Ride or Die palette. I'm gonna do a pretty natural look, in part because I don't have a lot of time to spend footsing around blending makeup. So my first color that I'm gonna go in with is going to be a little bit of Allison. And I'm gonna put that right on the lower brow. Listen to me, my lower eyelid. And Allison is a peachy tone, really wearable. A lot of times if I'm running late like I am today, I stick with more neutral tones because for me there's a lot less blending involved. And I think if there's a lot less blending involved, get a much better result in terms of like limited time offer. Okay, enough of that. So my next color that I'm gonna go into is Anne, and I am putting that Anne kind of reminds me a little bit of Lollipop from the Sugar Crystal palettes. Next, I am going to take just a little bit of Madeline, pop that on the corner. And that's it. Everything else is going to be blending because, like I said, I'm running crazy late. So I'm going to take my Charlotte Tilbury Rock and Coal eyeliner pencil in Barbarella Brown. I'm going to smoke a little bit on the bottom line, my bottom lash line. And this is just a little bit of Charlotte Tilbury, Love is the Drug. And I pretty much almost never go out without at least a very thin cat's eye on. I'm going to use my Anastasia of Beverly Hills liquid liner, which I'm sure is going to be running out of here soon, and I'll have to pop back to my Kat Von D Beauty because I have one I haven't used yet. You can see I did a really thin line there. Just an everyday, holy cow, I am late. I can't believe it. Well, I can believe I'm late. I gotta go back and thicken up my line because I went too dark on my left side, so now I gotta go a little crazier on my right side. Who's with me? Have you ever done that? OMG, you know what happened last night? I watched the Jacklyn Hill release of her shimmers, which is honestly probably what she should have gone with in the first place. Look at her getting back on the saleswoman horse. my Shiseido brush because I don't have time to mess around. You guys can check out my video on this brush. Notice the petal head. I really like it. It's a really unique brush and it does a bang up job in terms of just getting it on there, getting it blended, and getting you out the door. What are we gonna wear with this? Toffee Talk, the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit Matte. And that's all she wrote. I gotta hop off of here. Pretty please like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. Have a fantastic day, and I appreciate you all. I read all my comments. Ciao, more later.